Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and then go to the theme ringtone. Here you can see the whole list of the available default ringtones. You can also add your own ringtone by tapping add ringtone and select any audio file from your device memory, but unfortunately I have none of these files, so I'm just going to select one of the default ones. Could be this one, or this one, or even this one. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.